The ultimate cold plunge classic bundle from RevX Wellness is the high-quality, low-cost solution for anyone ready to dive into full-time cold plunging at home. Packed with everything you need, it's built using RevX's unique three-part design, which includes an inflatable tub with lid, a powerful water chiller, and a cutting-edge sanitation system, all connected with insulated tubing for a premium experience at an unbeatable price. Crafted with military-grade drop-stitch technology, the tub inflates in under 2 minutes and fits in any size space, whether it's a backyard patio or indoor gym. Customize your plunge with a temperature range from 34 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit and enjoy pristine water quality thanks to a 20-micron filter and your choice of ozone or UV sanitation. Affordable, reliable, and built to last, this ultimate cold plunge delivers wellness on your terms. Refresh and revitalize with RevX.